Alright guys, doing the delete on my 2012 Super Duty 6.7. Got the EGR already out, put the plate on, the plate down below on, and this one, you do not have to technically take off the upper one, but I did because, you can't see it now. But I put the SPE disaster kit on, and so I had pulled all that off so that I could put that on. But I'm just now putting this all back together. Pulled this all out, so no more of that. And then now, once I get all this back together, bypass this tube here, then I'm gonna do the exhaust and put the tune on and see how it does. Bro! It's a little healthy, man. It's definitely healthy.
Dude, that's like a half-inch cake on.
Dang old EGRs, man. They say it's good for you.
Let's just put carbon back into the motor. That's all it is.
There you go.
Bro, that's...
Alright. Here's the pipe installed. Go focus. Cut the end of the DPF filter off, welded on this pipe. And this is 3.5 inch pipe, and it goes all the way down.
Is that good enough for you? Go for it. I'm waiting for the roll plugs.
Sounds good.